Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how China industrialized so quickly. We'll explore the key strategies and policies that propelled its economic transformation. Understanding these factors provides insight into a remarkable period of global economic change. We'll cover the shift towards market-oriented policies, the impact of foreign capital, and the role of a large workforce. This rapid development reshaped the global economic landscape. A pivotal factor was China's shift from a centrally planned economy to a more market-oriented one. This involved implementing reforms that allowed for greater private enterprise and competition. The establishment of special economic zones, for example, created attractive environments for foreign investment and technology transfer. These zones offered preferential policies, drawing in capital and expertise essential for industrial growth. This strategic opening was fundamental. Attracting massive foreign direct investment was another cornerstone of China's rapid industrialization. Global companies invested heavily, bringing capital, management expertise, and advanced technology. This influx of foreign capital was often directed towards export-oriented manufacturing. By focusing on producing goods for international markets, China rapidly scaled up its industrial capacity. This export-driven strategy allowed the nation to integrate deeply into the global economy and achieve substantial growth. China's vast and relatively low-cost labor force was a critical asset, providing a competitive edge in manufacturing. This abundant workforce enabled factories to operate efficiently and produce goods at lower costs. Simultaneously, the government made substantial investments in infrastructure, including roads, ports, and power grids. These improvements were vital for supporting industrial expansion, facilitating the movement of raw materials and finished products, and connecting production centers to global markets.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.